In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and fill out documents in Docusign, all within just 5 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll be comfortably navigating Docusign to efficiently manage your electronic documents. So, let's dive right in. First, let's head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering docusign.com into the search bar. Once you're on the Docusign homepage, look for the login button, often found at the top right of the page, and click on it. Now go ahead and enter your credentials to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign home screen. This is your main dashboard and the starting point for creating or reviewing documents. Here, look for the option that says Browse Templates. Clicking this will take you to a selection of pre-made templates that you can use to get your documents set up more quickly. Next, to access the full array of available templates, click on Browse All Templates. This allows you to see a wider selection and choose the template best suited to your specific needs. Once you find a template that works best for you, select it by clicking on it. If you're unsure about which template to pick, hover over a few options to read brief descriptions or previews if available. After selecting your desired template, the next step is to click Add Selected. This will include the selected template in your files for editing. Now that you have added your template, look towards the bottom of the screen and click the Next button. Sure, going through steps like these might seem repetitive, but it's all about making sure each part of the process is locked in before moving on. In the following screen, click on Highlight. This is where you can make any changes you need by focusing on specific areas of your document. It's similar to using a highlighter on a physical document, helping you to emphasize the parts you want to change or review. Now that you've highlighted the necessary sections, it's time to add details. You can type in information like names, dates, and any specific instructions directly within the template fields. It might take a bit of practice to get the hang of filling these out efficiently, but it's well worth the investment. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click Next. This will take you to another screen where you can finalize your document by editing the fields further. Here you'll be able to position, modify, and customize the fields to better suit your requirements, ensuring all necessary information is captured correctly. Finally, make any further adjustments by selecting Edit the field. These fields are customizable and can be tailored to fit your specified needs. Done? Perfect. You've now successfully edited and prepared your document in Docusign, ready to send or keep for your records. And that wraps up our quick tutorial on how to efficiently edit and fill out documents using Docusign. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this guide helpful. Happy document editing!